30,000 people lost their jobs in just one morning. No warning, no meeting, just one email. This happened at Oracle and this can be happen to anyone. Imagine waking up, checking your phone and seeing an email that says today is your last working day. That's exactly what happened on March 31st, 2026. Thousands of employees suddenly became jobless. But here's the shocking part. Oracle is not in loss. They made billions in profit. So why lay off? Because companies don't run on emotions, they run on decisions. This is where most people make a mistake. Depending on one salary, one company, one source of income. You think your job is secure, but in reality, it's just temporary. The real reason behind this layoff is AI. Companies like Oracle are investing billions in AI infrastructure with partners like OpenAI, which means more machines and less people. And this trend is only going to increase. Now imagine if those employees had a side income, freelancing work, online business, or YouTube channels, would this situation feel the same? No. That's the power of a passive income. It gives you security, freedom, and confidence. Now think about it like this. If your entire life it depends on one pillar and that pillar breaks, what will happen? Everything will collapse. But at the same time, if you build multiple pillars, you'll stay strong even during storms. Start small but start today. Learn skills like a beam, AI tool and designs. Start freelancing to the foreign customers. Create content on YouTube. Build digital asset. Don't wait for a crisis to wake you up. The truth is very simple. Job is important, but the dependency is very dangerous. And in the age of AI, passive income is not optional anymore. It's very necessary. If you want to stay ahead in this changing world, subscribe now for more insights.